how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Pikachu, a skull version of Pikachu. Basically, it's a Pikachu skull. It's going to be real simple, easy, completely for beginners, by the way. So if you're a total beginner, stick around. Stick all the way to the very end, by the way. It's a short video, really short. And I'm just going to walk you through it, okay? So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the top part of Pikachu's skull. It's going to be just like a slight, very slight, mildly slight curve. You can even do that with a straight line. It's going to be just at the top of it. And then, you know, inevitably it's going to hit a point right here where it's going to hit the ear. And the ear, it looks like a corn, to be honest. That's the way it looks like to me, like corn sticking out of his ear. So go out over here. Right there on that side. It looks like somebody stuck a corn cob or something. That's the way I see it. Yeah. If you like Pikachu, by the way, or Pokemon, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification. I'm going to be drawing this is the darker side of art. You know, the more dangerous side, the scary side. Absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification for lessons. I post every day, by the way. Curve over here. Curve down. Right on. Gonna go over here on this side. Well, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go over here and do a line over here. Line over here for the tip of the ear, right? So over here I'm gonna fill it in. Whether you do it in pencil, pen, anything, absolutely fill that in. Same thing on this side, fill it in. Well, how's your day? Pretty good? Write how your day is. I'm going to reply to every single comment. That's kind of my promise to everybody, whether it be like now or in a month. I will eventually comment, so let me know. Curve over here, down the side of the skull over here, curve over here, down the side of this skull, out over here, curve in, out over here, curve in. Underneath here, curve underneath, up. Give that bottom of that skull. And then that's where I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to pull these little tooth shapes, right? Or you can draw you can call them gravestone shapes. Essentially the teeth on the below there. Right on. Let's find the eye sockets, okay? That's really important. And the eye sockets to me look kind of like marshmallow shapes. So I'm going to find the center portion, wherever that's going to be right here. Those are the center portions of the eye. Curve along the left, down to the right. See, that kind of looks like a marshmallow because it's like a rounded square. Down, right here, up. Over here on this side, up. For kind of the inner, we want to show that that has a thickness to it. And the only way to do that is to put a repeated shape, but have it backward like that. And then same thing goes on this side. Right, you have that repeated shape on one end to the other to show that there's a little thickness to that bone. And then I'm going to fill in the inner portion. Super easy stuff, right? If, like I said, you like this stuff, hit that like. When you hit the like, it helps the algorithm out, but it also helps me know like what you like on the channel, and I can put more of it. Kind of evolving this channel over the course of the year, so I like putting scary stuff on here. But yeah, just to let me know what to put more of, that really, really helps out. Hit that like. I'm posting every single day, by the way, guys, and I'm going to start posting stories every day. Down over here, up. So it's a nasal cavity. And then I'm going to curve over here on one side. You got to pick a side for that repeated shape, and then fill in the inner one. Like so. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put little bits of like thin lines over here for detail. So for example, I'm going to throw a line right there. It's gonna have a little. It's gonna show that there's a little bit of a bulge on the edge of that eye. Curve over here on the edge of this eye, up, up. Like right here, the top thin. It has to be thin because thin lines are detail lines, and you can kind of put them wherever you want. They're just secondary details, but it's gonna make it look like a skull. You know, you can put it right there, right there. You can put it underneath right here, underneath right here. Curve. There's usually like a little dimple there on the edge of the skulls here. Put that one a little bit deeper. And you can put them anywhere, and there is possibility you can overdo it, so just be careful about that. Curve over here. Right on. You can even put them over here, kind of where the teeth go in there, you know? Where the teeth stick into the actual gum area. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. If you do want to support the channel, share the video with a friend or share it, you know, on Twitter or Reddit or anywhere you share it, it's going to help. On the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see, if you're on YouTube, bottom right-hand corner, I think, right? It's this auto share button. You can just share it to anything you're logged into. Helps the channel out massively, massively, massively. So if you liked it and you want to keep the channel going, please do that. If you have issues drawing, let's say, human heads, and I know a lot of people do, or maybe they just have like minor issues, any type of issue you might have, go get the free worksheet on the Gumroad. I'm going to put the link in the top description there. Basically, it's just like a worksheet showing you a template on the measurements of a human head on the average human head. 100% free, not even a sign up or nothing. You just go, boom, download it. I'm doing that because I want to put a lot of free resources on there, so go check that out. Thank you so much. That is it. It takes 2 seconds to get that worksheet, and you can be drawing these really cool human heads already, or just be fixing the ones that you already have. So, see ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.